Hey, look, buddy. I'm an iterator. That means I solve problems. Not problems like, what is beauty? Because that would fall within your purview of your conundrums of philosophy. I solve practical problems. For instance, how am I gonna stop this fat, saggy sack of mouse-shaped shit from breaking into my fucking can ad nauseum just to stare at me for 2 hours straight, only to waddle her fat ass out like a penguin in an Applebee's? Yeah, how does that make you feel, huh? Stinky, goofy little shit, stinky, goofy little